Now we will solve simple problem on RLC circuit, right? So let us consider the problem. A circuit consists of a resistance of 10 ohm and inductance of 16 millihenry and capacitance of 150 microfarad connected in series. A supply of 100 volt at 50 hertz is given to the circuit. Find the current, power factor, power consumed by the circuit, and at last you need to draw the vector diagram, right? So for these kinds of problem, based on the given data, first we need to draw the circuit, right? So they have given R is equals to 10 ohms and inductance is equals to 16 millihenry, and later we have a capacitance of 150 microfarad connected across 100 volt, right? So draw R, L, C in series across 100 volt, right? So now we'll solve this problem. To solve this problem, we require the value of XL and XC, capacitive reactance and inductive reactance. We know that XL is equals to omega L, that is 2 pi FL, because omega is equals to 2 pi F. Substitute the values of F and L, we get XL is equals to 5.024, X is equals to 1 divided by omega C, that is 1 divided by 2 pi 50 into 150 microfarad. So we get X is equals to 21.23. Now you can compare the values of XL and XC here. XL is 5.02 ohms and XC is 21.23 ohms. That is, XC is greater than XL. That is, it is of the kind case 2, right? So what is the formula for case 2? Case 2, right? So Z is equals to under root of R square plus XC minus XL square. Therefore, use that formula to solve this problem. That is, Z is equals to under root of R square plus XC minus XL square. Substitute all the values, then we will get Z is equals to 19.04. We know the total voltage and we know the total impedance, then we can calculate the value of I is equals to E by Z, 100 divided by 19.04. Then we will get current as 5.25 amperes. Next we need to calculate power factor. We know the value of R, we know the value of Z, then power factor, that is cos phi is equals to R by Z, 10 divided by 19.04, right? So we will get power factor is equals to 5.025, right? And we know that here the capacitive reactance is dominant over inductive reactance, that is XC is greater than XL, hence whatever the power factor you got, right? So here the current will be leading with respect to voltage, right? So next, power is equals to what? EI cos phi, E is 100, I is 5.25 and cos phi is 0.525, then we will get power is equals to 275.65 watts. Now we will draw the vector diagram for this problem. That is, ER is equals to IR, EC is equals to IXL, EL is equals to IXL and EC is equals to IXC. Substitute the values of I, R, XL, XC. Then we will get ER as 52.5 and EC as 26.4. EL as 26.4 and EC as 111.46, right? So now you can calculate phi as tan inverse of XC minus XL divided by R, right? So you get phi is equals to 52.32. Same thing again, if you want to cross verify your answer, calculate cos of 58.32, then you should get 0.525, then only your answer is correct, right? So again we need to draw the vector diagram. See the values 52, 26 and 111, right? So as all are near to decimal values, that is multiples of 10, we can take scale as 1 centimeter is equals to 10 volts. If that is the case, then IR will be drawn along the x-axis 52.5, then draw a line of approximately 5 centimeter here. Later EL is equals to IXL 26.4, always EL. In that case current will be always lagging by an angle of 90 degree, therefore it will be always upwards. EL by what value? 26.4 under approximately 2 centimeter. Similarly EC 111, that is draw a line along negative y axis with 11 centimeter, right? So this is EL, this is EC, then EC minus EL will be what? 11 centimeter minus 2.5, that is approximately 8 centimeter, right? Now join the origin and termination of second vector, right? So calculate the length, it should be of 10 centimeter and the angle should be of 59, then your answer will be correct, right? So don't draw the line directly. What you need to draw is join origin and this point, right? So the length should be 10 centimeter, which is nothing but 10 into 10, 100 volts, then only your answer is correct, right? Thank you. Remaining thing we will discuss in the next class.